everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 19 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. We are getting so close to the end. Day number 25 is what we're looking forward to, everybody. All right, so here is day number 19. This is what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Ooh, this one's tough. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, what is this? This looks really pretty. Okay, it says Ingrid's Wildflowers Mini Blooms Embroidery Kit by Missouri Star Quilt Co. Oh my gosh. I have seen that Missouri Star is really getting into embroidery now. There's been like a lot of TikToks and Instagram posts and things like that. All right, here is what it includes, but we'll go ahead and go through it as well. There's a little bit here, I'm assuming about Ingrid, or maybe it's Jenny. Let's see. Oh yeah, Jenny. Okay, it's her grandmother Ingrid. Okay, from Sweden. All right, there you go. If you want to go ahead and read that. Awesome. Okay, let's open this together. All right, our first item is this little mini 4-inch hoop. I'm gonna show you guys how cute this packaging is. How adorable that is. So in the center here, we have these common embroidery stitch methods. And so we also get this little ring so you can attach all of this. So let me do that now. This is very helpful. I haven't done embroidery in a while, hand embroidery. Okay, so there's the first card here, just telling you what it is. All right, it says how to use your designs, create a colorful garden of mini blooms with these easy to follow step-by-step instruction cards and pre-printed peel and stitch wash away sheets designed to go perfectly with tomorrow's project. Okay, visit Missouri Star Quilt Co. Missouri Quilt Co, not Missouri Star. So visit MissouriQuiltCo.com/embroidery-101 for additional embroidery videos. Let me go ahead and show that to you as well. So I'm gonna have to find the washable design sheets that she's talking about, but we'll just go through the designs. So here is basically just how to thread the needle, I believe. All right, how to position the tearaway sheet or the washable sheet. Here are several different stitch types. So we have our stem stitch. We have our lazy daisy. We have our French knot, satin stitch, star stitch. Here's a bloom design. This one's bloom design 1, bloom design 2, bloom design 3, bloom design 4, bloom design 5, bloom design 6, bloom design 7, bloom design 8, bloom design 9, bloom design 10, bloom design 11, bloom design 12, which is actually a bee, bloom design 13, which is a dragonfly, bloom design 14, bloom design 15, bloom design 16, bloom design 17, bloom design 18, bloom design 19, and finally bloom design 20, which is another cute little bee from a side angle. So here are the tearaway sheets that Jenny was talking about. This is what they look like. So you go ahead and cut around the dotted line here. You go ahead and attach this to your fabric. There is a sticky backing on the back. You just have to peel it. Okay, and these are supposed to wash away, and then you just go ahead and follow the guide here with the threads that were provided. Here's a little instruction card in case you need that. Okay, and I believe they're the same designs that we just looked through, so I definitely don't want to bore you guys. It's just practice, really, for what we just looked through. Oh, there you go. Okay, and then here we have Ingrid's Wildflowers Mini Blooms Embroidery Notions, which I believe is a needle threader and a needle, but let's go ahead and see just in case. Okay, so there's 2 needles there and a threader. And this cute little handy pouch, how pretty is that? For our thread colors here, we have Rose Pink 135. For our yellow, we have Pollen 675, and I actually have no idea if these are DMC or if there's some other kind of floss. I'll let you know down below if I figure that out. We have brown here, but it's called Chocolate 780. We have grass green, $5.61. We have rock blue, $4.92. And finally, we have deep red, $2.06. All right, and here's how everything fits together in this little case. This is awesome. I'm actually really excited to get back into more embroidery here. I'll go ahead and close it up for you. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. I think this is an amazing gift. And if these are available online, I think these make really great gifts too for somebody in your life that is looking to either get into embroidery, obviously because, you know, it teaches you how to do all those stitches, but also somebody that just really enjoys embroidery and can kind of take this along with them in the car or on a plane, or, you know, it just, I don't know. I really love it so much. All right, I hope you like this one. I will see you tomorrow for day number 20. Bye, everybody.